Take command of the road in the 2009 Chevrolet Traverse. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, front and rear air conditioning, and power windows. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.